Today I'm going to show you how to create an assignment in Google Classroom. So you see when I log in, I'm here on my stream page and I have Stream Classwork People. You're going to click on the Classwork tab up here. Then you are going to click Create. So you have different types of assignments you can offer. You can do a regular assignment, a quiz assignment. You could just pose a discussion question, just link material, or you can reuse a post. You can also put it under a different topic. So I'm just going to create a regular assignment here. So it's for my Ripkowski test classroom and it's for all students. I could click specific students if I wanted to just assign it to one student, which would be useful if you were going to give an opportunity for a student to create to show that they've mastered a standard but have them do a different assignment, or to even differentiate within your classroom. So I'm going to go ahead and give a title to my assignment, which is a student survey. It's the beginning of the semester here at my school, so I'm going to get to know my students a little better. I like to give detailed instructions. It's optional, of course, but I do find it helps students when they're navigating through Google Classroom, especially if you have multiple things within the same unit that look similar within their title. For instance, I have a unit on the writing process, and sometimes the titles look similar, so this helps students differentiate between what the task is. So please complete the survey by 2 p.m. on Friday. So I'm going to change the points value. 100 seems like a lot of points for a student survey, and I even have the option to make it ungraded. Since this is not aligned to any standard and it's just me getting to know my students, I'm going to make it ungraded. But there, of course, is still a due date here, so I'm going to click on the 18th because that's Friday, and I can give a time. So 2 o'clock p.m. There we go. Topic, I could put it under any of these topics here. I'm going to put it under Getting to Know You. So that way my Google Classroom's organized so they can look in different categories if they were to backtrack. And then I need to attach my file. You can use the paperclip to attach anything that's saved onto your computer, or you can use this Google Drive symbol to attach things from your Google Drive. So I am going to attach my student survey right here. I'm going to click Add. And then I can do students can view files, students can edit file, or make a copy for each student. I find it easier if I'm actually going to have something that's not going to be collaborated on and students are each going to fill out individually. It's best to just make a copy for each student. That way they each have a copy that saves into the Google Drive for this class. Then I'm going to click Assign. And Google's going to think, and there it is. So if you scroll down now into classwork, you can see that my assignment has been added here under Getting to Know You, Student Survey due January 18th at 2 p.m. Also, if you were to look on the stream, you can see that I've just posted a new assignment here. And that is how you create an assignment in Google Classroom.